video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. At Vacation Genie, we believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Friday. And yes, I said Friday because today's the day to sit back, relax, talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as we have worked so hard this entire week. Guys, I'm so excited. We have so much news to break down. We have a lot of liquidations that were spurred because of the Elon and Donnie T drama. We also have all of the Elon Donnie T drama, which I'm spotlighting today. We'll jump into the liquidations when we go over the market recap. We also have Romania, Switzerland, the UK, Pakistan, and Japan going all out on the Bitcoin. So, thank you, Michael Cartwright, for the memberships. I appreciate it. And we're also going to jump into Michael Saylor, his plans for Bitcoin. We're also going to go into Kathy Wood. Uber might be accepting crypto. So we'll jump into all of that. So if you're ready for the zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. Please make sure we get to at least 150 likes, 150 live viewers, because then, again, we are going to have a rave, and we have a different song to rave to, right? And we also have a subscriber goal, guys, of 21,680 for more. So let's get after it. I'm excited to talk about everything today. So let's not waste time. Let's get after it. Again, smash the like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me. And check out our three amazing sponsors, Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then go over to Vacation Genie. Guys, you can now book your cruises with crypto. Love it. Also, shout out to all our gifters. We have Michael Cartwright with 15 memberships already. 20 memberships. And then Alexandra G, my G, with 5 memberships. And then Gary, a new Gary in the chat. He became a member as well. Thank you guys for becoming members of the channel. I appreciate you so much. And thank you for giving out memberships. We love membership on the channel. Woohoo! All right, guys, let's say good morning. Good morning to everyone on TikTok. If you are on TikTok, it's very hard for me to see your comments because they're like itty bitties. So please go over to YouTube, please. Let's see who's in the chat. We got Aquarian, Jesse, Cajun, Brian is here. Everyone put a heart in the chat for Brian. Him and his family are going through some trying times. Michael Cartwright with 20 memberships. Oh my word. Oh my word. Thank you so much, Michael. Appreciate you, fam. We got Nick. Alexandra G, my G's here. Grandpa Verhoofty Floof, as always. Good morning to Black Hat. Black Hat, we're on Abstract, right? Are we good on Abstract? Guys, we're live on Rumble. We're live on Abstract. Yes, I do see Black Hat over on Abstract. Perfect. We have 45 followers on Abstract. We've only gone live like a handful of times over there. Good morning, everybody. Oh my gosh, so many beautiful people here. I get so excited. Silver Days. Nice to see you all set. We're all set. We have JC. Let's see who else. Crypto Princess is here. Good morning. Oh, Crypto Princess, I just remembered I forgot to send people over your way yesterday. Please forgive me. My sick brain has been messing with me all week. We have a Grandpa Chipper, Mike Mazzone. Michael Cartwright said, see, it's so annoying. But I saw some people got some good people got memberships. Back up, good morning. Hello, everyone. Oh my gosh, so many wonderful people. Rob C, welcome. Oh my gosh. Wow, so many memberships dropping. I can't see who's actually active in the chat. Wow, Driftman is here. Good morning, Shadow. We got Yukio over on X. Good morning. Jesse's chilling. He's saying to pamp those likes. I agree. Kelly Kellum said, how did we miss each other entirely in Vegas? Kelly, dude, I have no idea. There are a few people, including you, that I did not even see in Vegas, and I don't know how. It was, you know what? Honestly, I do, because it's way too packed. Over 30,000 people, you're going to miss some. But I was all over the place. People saw me. I was all over the place in Vegas. I was bouncing from one spot to the other. But Kelly, I'm very sad about that. Very sad I missed you. I also missed AP. I don't know how I missed Army Piper. Splash Fire Films, good morning. Mark Smithson said, no Friday. It is Friday. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Welcome, everyone. Aquarian is also on X. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Cassius Cuvée. Guys, Cassius and I are coming out with our music video, I think by Monday, maybe Sunday. I don't know. But it's all up to him. He's a perfectionist. He's working on it. And I respect his grind. Marty GTO. Hello, Jay Violet is here. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Mike Volmer, welcome. Mike, you're going to be upset with me because I didn't get Donkey this morning. I actually picked up Dutch Bros. And yes, I wrap my iced coffees in a paper towel because it gets moist out here. Right, Avo? Do you do voiceover work? You have a fun character voice. Actually, so funny that you said that. When I was at Bitcoin conference, someone approached me and asked if I would be in an animated like series or movie or something, and I said, yeah, I'd be a voice actor, 100%. So I'm definitely down to be a voice actor. I think it would be great. Guys, should I be a voice actor? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Let me know. Cause I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love me. Okay, guys, we're gonna get into the market recap. And then if we hit 150 likes, we're gonna rave. We're gonna rave at the end of the show. We're popping off today. I feel like I have like a good amount of energy this morning. And yeah. Oh my gosh, tomorrow's Jay Violet's birthday. Guys, everyone say happy birthday to Jay Violet. Happy birthday to Jay Violet. Happy birthday, Jay Violet. Wow, it's so bad. It's so hard for me to like multitask. Sheesh. All right, guys, let's get into the show. Market recap, looking a little interesting. Farcoin is up 15.5%. I believe it got listed on Coinbase, if I'm not mistaken. Then we got Bitcoin this morning. Biruto, good morning. Hello, everyone. Guys, look exactly where we bounced, fam. Exactly where we bounced off of with these wicks, 101.3. Exactly where we bounced off of. And again, your bullish scenario is 106.3. I'm telling you, that's where we need to create support. And once we sort of had some momentum building over there, literally, you can see on Market Cipher, the momentum was building at 106.3. Yeah, no, 106.1. I'm sorry. Then we hit those all-time highs. So again, that's why this is our new golden zone. We hold support here. There's a nice likelihood that we could challenge 112. That would be absolutely amazing. And of course, you know, we had some tiffs around where our previous all-time high was, around that 109, as you can see right here. Literally where that wick high was. Look, that's where we hit. That's where we were knocking on the door. We were like, hey, wake up, Biddy. And Bitcoin really like made a nice move after that. So like I said, 106.1 is our new golden zone. Right now, we're at $104,146. We're up 2.5%. So after yesterday's kaplu of drama with Elon and Donnie T, then we finally got some nice green moving over here. But we do have a momentum shift. We are shifting downwards over here. VWAP is looking pretty good. Like, we obviously want that to cross the zero line. We want it to be bullish. We want a confident move at least with the VWAP. Seems like we're seeing some sort of move here. Money flow is still green, looking good. We love to see it. And then we have the RSI that we really want to push through that neutral, go bullish. And I think despite Bitcoin being technically neutral on this RSI, we're still sitting at $104,000. So I consider this extremely bullish. We also have a members only after show today. Thank you, Black Hat, for that. We also have a members only after show that should be posted in the Discord right now. I'll make sure, I'll double check it right now. Oh, thank God I double checked. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, we do have a members only after show today in Discord. So please make sure you tune in. I finally have most of my voice back today. So that's good. I got wiped out this week, fam. I got wiped out this week. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video and the audio today. I'm really like working. I was working overtime the past few days to try to make this look good, and I did have some actual help with that, so thank you. We also had $800 million in liquidations as Donnie T and Elon were tussling on the X.com. Like I said, that's our spotlight today. So if you want to know what's going on with Donnie T and Elon, I'm going to break it down for you as best as I could because it's a wild ride and it's continuous. Like, it has not stopped. Anyway, we do see nearly $1 billion in leveraged bets get wiped out. Bitcoin dropped below that 101K overnight before bouncing. Doge and Cardano, among the worst of them, hit down over 6% each. And the CoinDesk 20 index shed over 5%. Now, data from CoinGlass shows that traders lost $988 million in liquidations, of which $888 million were long positions, indicative of a wipeout in bullish positions. Exchanges like Bybit and Binance saw the biggest hits, with Bybit alone accounting for nearly $354 million in liquidations. It mostly hit the larger tokens, with Bitcoin leading the pack at over $342 million liquidated in the past 24 hours. ETH was following up with $286 million in liquidations, reflecting the sharp sell-offs across the broader market.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Have to buy my good morning, but are worth it, thanks.
Oh, sorry about that, David. Thank you. I appreciate it. Good morning to you. Sorry, it's hard to see everybody in the chat sometimes. I apologize. I try to do the best I can. I really do. I try. Nick, MetaMask, hello everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Did everyone say happy birthday to Jay Violet? And did everybody put hearts in the chat for Mr. Brian? I hope that's true. Also, we have a poll. Pick your team. Team Donnie T, Team Elon, or Team Zest. Please put that in the chat. You could also rain emojis, either my emoji, Elon emoji, or Donnie T emoji. Whose team are you on right now? Let's get it. Who's dropping some gifts over here on TikTok? Who's this? Patch, hello. Hello. Welcome everyone on TikTok. Oh my gosh, hello everyone everywhere. I absolutely love this show. I really do. I have so much fun here. And so I'm so happy to have my books back. Woohoo! And I hope you guys like the videos, the visuals. Please let me know if everything is good, if everything sounds good, if everything looks good. I've been working so hard. So hard. Okay. Let's get it. Armand. Hello, Armand. Patch saying good morning. Hello. Everyone's on my team. That's so nice. I appreciate it. Who is that? Is that Ken? Ken, hello. Nice to see ya. All right, let's get into the breaking news headlines. We got a lot of international news to talk about. So let's get into it. Woohoo. Breaking news headlines start now. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back after that short transition. We have Romania's postal service starting us off with their headlines. They're installing their first Bitcoin ATM. Romania getting spicy. Posta Romania, or Romana, the National Post Service of Romania, installed its first Bitcoin ATM at a branch location in the city of Tulcea in partnership with Bitcoin Romania Exchange. According to the announcement from the Postal Service, next locations to receive Bitcoin ATMs will be in Alexandria, Piatra, Botasani, and Nadlac. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but that's where it's at. The ATMs are part of a broader push to overhaul existing infrastructure with digital tech and to expand service offerings to underserved areas in the country. And so I think that's pretty interesting. I wanted to start off with some pretty bullish news. Bitcoin ATMs are going to take over the world. Watch it. Watch. Now we're going to get into things that are a little bit... We got Switzerland that is greenlighting sharing crypto tax information with 74 nations. Let's see what the point of this is and if it's really in depth here. The Swiss federal government tweeted that the Federal Council has adopted a bill to enable the automatic exchange of crypto asset information with 74 countries or 74 partners and most of the G20, not including America, as you can see here. And the parliament is still debating the bill. And so they want to have the automatic exchange of information. So the AEOI, if you see that anywhere, on crypto partner countries, with the council announcing that yesterday. Oh, actually today, my bad. The proposal also suggests the sharing of data with most G20 countries, and it excludes the US, Saudi Arabia, and China, according to an ex post that we just looked at. And so the first exchange of data is expected in 2027. And so the new proposal follows their dispatch on the international and national legal basis for the AEOI concerning crypto assets adopted on February 19th. And so they adopted the dispatch on the AEOI approval, targeting the first exchange of crypto data taking place over in 2027. I don't really know how I feel about that. We don't really know, what kind of data is being shared there? Is it going to be just stats? Is it going to be personal info, like the biggest whales or whatever? Are they going to be exposed? This is why, again, you have to just do your best to stay out of all the mess. You want to be able to have your crypto. So I'm just telling you, take your crypto off of the exchanges right now and use a beautiful wallet like Cake Wallet or get a cold storage wallet. There's a lot of Bitcoin ATMs by you. That's good. That's good. How many subscribers do we have on Rumble? How many subscribers do we have on Rumble nowadays before I jump into my next international headline? We have 1,000 followers on Rumble? Oh boy. Guys, we have 1,000 people on Rumble. Oh, that's so amazing. Oh boy, I'm excited. Oh boy, this is a great Friday already. I'm pumped. I'm freaking pumped. That's nuts. Yay, shout out to my Rumblers. That's amazing. That's amazing. All right, guys, smash the likes, share, let's go. We're going to the UK. The UK. According to the UK FCA, they're apparently lifting the ban on crypto ETNs, exchange-traded notes, or ETFs for retail investors. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, UK. These people are so unhinged over in the UK, the EU, all of it. They're unhinged. So the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, has proposed lifting its ban on offering crypto ETNs to retail investors. In an announcement shared with Cointelegraph, the FCA said the proposed change would allow individual consumers to access crypto ETNs, provided they are listed on an FCA-recognized investment exchange. Now, David Gill, the executive director of payments and digital assets at the FCA, says, "We want to rebalance our approach to risk, and lifting the ban would allow people to make the choice on whether such a high-risk investment is right for them, given they could lose all their money." That is ridiculous. People could gamble their whole lives away. Oh, but that doesn't matter. Gosh, if they invest in a crypto ETN, they could lose all their money? Please. This is why you have to be your own bank and take part in DeFi, because we want no part of these fools that are telling us, oh, it's not safe enough for you to invest in a crypto ETN. You're not even getting real crypto with these ETNs. Absolute. I'll digress on the topic. It's honestly it's gonna get me frustrated. Yeah, because we need your permission to invest in an ETN. That's ridiculous. Anyway, we got Pakistan. We're going to jump into Pakistan and Japan and all that. Pakistan's crypto minister is joining who? The NYC mayor, Eric Adams, and Wall Street in Bitcoin talks. Oh, this is a combo. This is a darn combo. I also like this graphic. I would like to say when I looked at this article earlier today, I was like, oh, wow, look, they got the little Yankees logo. They got the little Yankees. Now, the Pakistan Crypto Council posted this pic with NYC Mayor Eric Adams, and they were saying they were exploring collaboration between New York and the Pakistan Crypto Councils. And also, look at Eric, man. Look at Mr. Adams with that spiffy jacket. He's looking floral right there. He's looking floral. A June 6 expose by Pakistan Crypto Council shows that Bilal bin Saqib met with Brandon Lutnick, the chairman and CEO of Cantor Fitzgerald, a global financial services firm. Separate video included in a separate post shows he also met with Eric Adams, who recently said he wants to ensure a Bitcoin bond is launched in the city. And there we go. That's the flick right there. The meeting with Lutnick follows his firm's recently increased interest in crypto. The two reportedly discussed tokenization, Bitcoin mining, Pakistan's Web3 future, and avenues of collaboration. I'm telling you right now, everyone's going to want to get their hands in crypto. They want the bread. They want that cash. They want that money, that digital money. I'm telling you, it's going to take over the world. People are not ready. I'm telling you, people are not ready because we're going to have a major supply shock, an extreme supply shock with Bitcoin and crypto. If you already do not understand where we're heading, I am so sorry for you. I am so sorry. But I'm also not, because you're watching this show and you're hearing me speak and you're seeing everybody in the chat. And so you're educated now. There's only about 2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges. There's not enough. The miners, they're not going to be able to produce enough to provide for all these people that want to buy. And so that's going to transition us into talking about Metaplanet, the Japanese stock and the Japanese company that is planning to raise a $5.3 billion to buy more Bitcoin. Between Michael Saylor's strategy, between Metaplanet and all these other countries and companies and states and cities that want to buy Bitcoin, there's not going to be enough. People will be fighting for Satoshis, not even whole Bitcoin. Get ready, buckle up, board the rocket ship, and get ready for takeoff because there's not going to be enough. And if the United States does not step up their game, we're going to be in trouble. No doubt about it, we're going to be in trouble. We will not lead the world as an economic powerhouse without Bitcoin. And I hope that despite all the madness that's going on in the White House, that they get their sheesh together. That even Elon, with this little spat he's got going on with Donnie T, that Elon comes out and says, you know what? I'm going to put Tesla and SpaceX and all my companies on a Bitcoin standard. Put himself on a Bitcoin and Dogecoin standard. A proof of work standard. I'll digress. Metaplanet raising $5.3 billion to buy more Bitcoin. Metaplanet, the Tokyo-listed firm now positioning itself as a Bitcoin-focused treasury company, has launched a $5.3 billion plan to buy more Bitcoin, issuing 555 million shares through stock acquisition rights. The deal, Metaplanet says, is the largest ever issuance of stock warrants in Japan and the first time moving strike warrants, where the exercise price adjusts with the market, have been sold at or above current share prices in the country. The offering is part of what the company calls its 555 million plan, a follow-up to its earlier 21 million plan, which raised up to $600 million earlier this year and helped Metaplanet amass nearly 9,000 Bitcoin. They're allocating nearly 96% of the capital raised to buying Bitcoin directly, with smaller amounts earmarked for bond redemptions and income-generating strategies like selling put options. But you realize that they don't care about bonds. They don't care about all this, I was going to say such a bad word, all this other stuff They want Bitcoin. Smart, smart, smart. Because at the end of the day, these companies like Metaplanet, like Strategy, and a few others, they will be more wealthy than most countries just because of their Bitcoin stack. And you don't think at some point, countries are going to go to companies like Strategy that have over 500,000 Bitcoin and say to them, hey, can we actually take some off your hands? Can you loan it out to us? Miners are already loaning out Bitcoin for some yield. Ridiculous. Speaking of Strategy announced the pricing of its Stride Perpetual preferred stock, offering an upsize their deal from $250 million to $1 billion. You think they're not going to buy more Bitcoin? Hilarious. Hilarious. I'm saying it. I've been saying it for a hot minute, friends. A hot minute. Strategy's going to own 1 million Bitcoin at some point. Some point. Now, my friends, we also had yesterday Circle, the USDC issuer, make its way to the New York Stock Exchange, pimping in price. Seems like Cathie Wood and ARK want that bag. ARK Invest loaded up on $373 million worth of Circle shares on the first day of trading. They bought nearly 4.5 million Circle shares on the stablecoin issuer's first day of trading, a holding worth $373 million at the stock's closing price. The St. Petersburg, California-based investment manager was quick to add the USDC issuer to its portfolio of companies that provide exposure to the crypto industry, along with the likes of Coinbase, Robinhood, and Block. That's a fat bag, fam. A fat bag. Taking a gander at the stock, we're at $100 right now, up 20% today. I think we opened, or the open was over here at $68-ish. The low yesterday was around $64. Closed the day at $83. The high, though, of yesterday was $103. Today we were slightly above that, around $104 for Circle. So keep an eye out for Circle. $100 is a psychological level. I did see, though, someone posted a screenshot. I think it was from eToro or something like that, where they sold the IPO, and it said that if they sold yesterday, they couldn't buy back in for 30 days. But we even saw it with stocks like Newsmax. When it launched, it pumped majorly. And then it pulled back like dramatically. So usually when you have the first day of trading for a stock, you'll probably make some pretty decent gains. And then it'll probably cool off because everyone is like, all right, we had fun now. That's the trend I've been seeing, at least. Hello, Armand over there on Rumble. I see you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the show. Such a beautiful day to be alive. Is Papa Tom in here? Is Tom Crown here? Hello. No is here. SoFlo Digital. Hello. Curtis Hill is here. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Memory Man is here. Poe. Number 42. Welcome. Hee hee hee. You guys are so funny. You guys know me so well. It's crazy. Flat Smack, nice to see you too. Papa Tom said, I got to see Randy in Vegas, top highlight of the trip. Oh. I got to see Papa Tom. So beautiful. Tom joined the Discord. Word. Well, if Papa Tom is a member, which I believe he is, right? Then he could join the after show as well. He could join the after show. Guys, we have an after show for members only. So please make sure you're a member of the channel. So after we go off of this live stream, you can hop on over. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the show. Based Bailey over there on X. I see you. We got Joe Buddy in the chat. Buddy? Some? Welcome. Okay, how many likes do we have? We have 91 likes. Boy, oh boy, if we don't get 150, then we're cooked. Then there's no rave. No rave. And how am I going to be able to walk away with a good conscience if we don't rave? That's going to be a sad moment, I'm telling you. Because I'm finally feeling better. Finally. And then I don't even get to rave at the end of the week. Anyway, let's jump on into our next headline, guys. Would you pay, put a one or a yes emoji, two or no emoji, would you pay for your Uber in Bitcoin or stable coins? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji. Would you use crypto to pay for your Uber? Uber is once again considering crypto payments. Uber CEO Dara said the ride-hailing giant is exploring the use of crypto as a payment method, which marks it the third time the company has made the claim since 2021. Speaking at the Bloomberg Tech Conference in San Fran on Thursday, they said the company is in the study phase of evaluating stablecoins for operational use. Now, the quote was, "I think stablecoins are one of the most interesting instantations of crypto that have a practical benefit beyond being a store of value." And so we could see what happens here, but the continued quote from this individual was, "You can have your opinions on Bitcoin. It's a proven commodity and people differ on where it's going. But stablecoins seem quite promising, especially for global companies moving money around internationally. That's super interesting to us, and we're definitely going to take a look." So I think it would be smart of Uber, because especially if you have someone, I don't know, internationally traveling around. This is what I've been telling people at Bitcoin conference. My sentiment was really about, especially because Vacation Genie was there, it tied in perfectly, that this generation, we want to travel, we want to explore the world, and we need money that's going to be able to explore with us, and that's crypto. And so if we're able to travel, use crypto, obviously, Vacation Genie, perfect, but also things like Uber would be smart. It would also lower a lot of costs for the company as well, which the Uber CEO actually dove into. Now we're going to get into our spotlight here, which is Elon and Donnie T. Let's do it. Now, the big problem here is that Elon really started Doge to save the country money. But Donnie T has this big, beautiful bill that is going to be very dramatic. And so what Elon is saying is that essentially, if all of this is passed and whatever, we're going to go into debt slavery. And Donnie T is quite disappointed in Elon.
He said the most beautiful things about me. And he hasn't said bad about me personally, but I'm sure that'll be next. But I'm very disappointed in Elon. I've helped Elon a lot.
Mr. President.
He said he helped Elon a lot. I mean, there's a longer video that I believe I have somewhere that I could show you. I thought this was pretty dramatic, I'm not going to lie. But we do have the hostility that is continuing on with Elon and Donnie T. Now, Donnie T is like, yeah, I helped Elon so much. Where would Elon be without me? And then Elon's like, you wouldn't have won the election without me, which is literally what he said. Let me see if there's another video here. Is this it? Yes. Okay, yeah. Here you go. This is a longer video.
Won Pennsylvania, I won it by a lot. But if they picked him, I would have won Pennsylvania, I won it by a lot. But I'm very disappointed because Elon knew the inner workings of this bill better than almost anybody sitting here. Better than you people. He knew everything about it. He had no problem with it. All of a sudden he had a problem, and he only developed the problem when he found out that we're going to have to cut the EV mandate, because that's billions and billions of dollars, and it really is unfair. We want to have cars of all types. Electric, we want to have electric, but we want to have a gasoline, combustion. We want to have different. We want to have hybrids. We want to have all. We want to be able to sell everything. And when that was cut, and Congress wanted to cut it, he became a little bit different, and I can understand that. But he knew every aspect of this bill. He knew it better than almost anybody, and he never had a problem until right after he left. And if you saw the statements he made about me, which I'm sure you can get very easily, it's very fresh on tape, He said the most beautiful things about me. And he hasn't said bad about me personally, but I'm sure that'll be next. But I'm very disappointed in Elon. I've helped Elon a lot.
It's like Donnie T is his dad. Yeah, I'm disappointed in Elon. But I feel like there's a lot of things that I really just don't understand here, and that's including the fact that Donnie T's like, yeah, like Elon went crazy after the EV mandate got cut or something, and literally Elon has said for a long time that he doesn't care about the EV mandate. I'm going to go and update my Truth Social and see if anything new has come about. But at the same time, I really haven't seen anything from Elon that would be upset, like how he would be upset about the EV mandate. But then he went ahead and said that essentially Elon went rogue. He went crazy. Let's see. Yeah, here's the post. I'll read it. This is directly from Truth Social. Donnie T says, Elon was wearing thin. I asked him to leave. I took away his EV mandate that forced everyone to buy electric cars that nobody else wanted, that he knew for months I was going to do, and he just went, in all caps, crazy. So apparently today they're going to have a call to broker some peace here. Elon went rogue on X, like actually rogue. And so he reposted this clip from At America saying, if America goes broke, nothing else matters. Here's the clip.
Because if the country goes insolvent, if all the money is just spent on paying interest on debt, there's no money left for anything.
Yeah.
So that's the reason I'm doing this, is because I was looking at the big picture here, and it's like, man, our debt's getting out of control. The interest payments, the interest on the national debt now exceeds the entire Defense Department budget.
$1 trillion a year in
Yes.
interest. Just to carry the money that we owe is $1 trillion a year.
Yes.
That is unbelievable.
And rising rapidly. So like, a country is no different from a person. The country overspends, country goes bankrupt. Same as a person who overspends goes bankrupt. So it's not like optional to solve.
So Elon is saying, friends, if America doesn't stop, we're going to go bankrupt, which is a wild concept. And so Elon also dropped this bomb. He literally called it a bomb, like a kaploo. Saying, time to drop the really big bomb. Donnie T is in the Epstein files. That is the real reason they have not made it public. Have a nice day, DJT. And then he also added, mark this post for the future. The truth will come out. So I think that's wild. And even Alex Jones said something that I agree with here, saying that Donnie T needs to respond and that he did not take questions at the public meeting. That is buck wild, dude. Actually buck wild. And so Elon then went on X, and this is his pinned post. The reason why I pulled up his whole account here is because I want you to see it's his pinned post. He said, is it time to create a new political party in America that actually represents the 80% in the middle? Honestly, I think that's due. I'm gonna throw it out there. Like, I'm going to throw it out there. Like, I've never been right or left. Let's just say that. Obviously, I'm rooting for common sense here. I want common sense. And I feel like we need a common sense party here. I don't even think there should be parties. I think we should be like one unanimous being that represents America and the well-being of our country. Public servants serve. Because it's their job to better our lives. But we've lost the plot. Politics has lost the plot. Have we ever really had the plot? Is my question. Even the beginning of America, like, I have my own theories. I have my own tinfoil hat moments. I try to remain neutral on this darn show. I really do. But, like, we need common darn sense. Common sense. Thank you. Common sense. So that's the latest with Donnie T and Elon. Apparently they're going to have a call today to broker peace. We'll see how that goes. The besties, the bromance, has yet again been split. So I think Elon might go the Bitcoin route, and hopefully the country does as well, and we have a Bitcoin reserve to save ourselves, because that's the only way we're going to get saved. We're going to jump into our coins to watch and then into our after show. So, yeah, Black Hat common sense isn't that common. That's actually hilarious because it's true. All right, guys, let's get after it. Coins to watch. $10 coins to watch, 5 gainers, 5 losers. Gainers, Fartcoin leading the way up 13.8%. Floki up 6.5%. Pith up 3.7%. Virtuals up 3.7%. Caspa up 3%. And then for your losers, we got Stacks leading the way there, down 9.8%. Donnie T's token under $10 now, 6.7% down. Lido down 6.2%. Optimism down 4.5%. And Near down 4.43%. Oh boy. I'm going to take a look at charts as you're liking, subscribing, and sharing. We're pamping with the subscribers. We conquered our goal there, which is great. And the Fed, my friend. Yep. I would like to know how that would actually work, but one second. Okay, sorry. I thought I had a little sneezy. I'm still not feeling well, but my throat, my voice is like pretty good right now, so thank God. But we're almost there. I'm like 80%. I'm going to say like 80% better. 80%. All right, guys. Bitcoin's still chilling. We're at 104.6. We're in the green by 3%. Ethereum is up 3.9%. Looking good. Again, we want to maintain 23.55. Bullishly, we're looking at the 200-day estimate at $2,669. Volume is like okay. Money flow is the highest it's been in quite a bit since back here in January. Momentum is down, though, with that VWAP surprising, being that we are up almost 4%. And the RSI is broken through the neutral. We are bullish after that pullback. Litecoin, $86.27, up 3%. Again, we want to hold 84. Bullish is 91. Bearish, if we fall below 84, is $74. A red dot has been printed, pulling down that momentum. VWAP is flat, but the money flow is back in the green, so we'll take it. Also, we are mid-bear for this RSI. Keep watch, keep calm, hodl on, bullish, bearish case scenario. Am I messaging my followers right now? No, I'm not. This is the TikTok that you are viewing right now, this live stream. Hello. This is my only account, and I won't DM you. Sorry, fam. I will not. I will not DM you. I will not ask you how your trading's going, and that's on any platform. I will never DM you. Never. Because we don't need imposters. We don't need scam activity. So please make sure you block all the scammers. There's so many of them on every platform. It's actually wild that when I was at Bitcoin conference and people were like, oh, let me follow you on whatever platform. Oh, are you on this? Are you on that? Let me go follow you. Most of the time, my scam, like the scam accounts, my imposters came up before my real thing did. And I was so sad about that. Crazy. Armand, it's not common sense. It's called smart sense. I guess so. Welcome, everyone. It's wild. You guys are such beautiful people in the chat. Welcome. I don't know, guys. We're coming up on the hour here. I got to go into the after show. Are we gonna get 150 likes? Like, are we even close? We only have 117. That's crazy. Backup. What? Backup. Take that back right now. Take that back up. Back it up. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. David B. Nice to see ya. All right. So listen. Let's chill out in this chat about the DMs, all right? Let's chill out about the DMs. So we got 117 likes. Am I married? No, I'm not married. This is the wrong hand. Wrong hand. This is the right hand. This is the right hand. All right, guys. Brian, I make corny jokes sometimes, okay? It's just me. That's like my little personality. Anyway, so join the after show. We're gonna go live there in a little bit. Should we do a rave anyway? Or do I just walk away? Do I just walk away? That's my question. Camera's all whack. On TikTok? Are we okay on TikTok? All right, guys. Should we rave? Write rave in the chat. Write rave in the chat. If that's what you want. If that's what you want. I gotta see it. I gotta see excitement here. Otherwise, we're just gonna go in the... We're just gonna go into the after show. We're just gonna go into the after show. Let's see. Cause I'm a Bitcoin bestie. Where's Smokey Dan's playlist? Let's do this. Let me get my hold music real quick.
Future said Scooby Dooby Dooby.
Okay. Armani. Everyone put a yard in the chat for Armani. Armani's an OG. Hello. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. No Raven, Jesse cries. All right, guys. All set. All the love to you, man. All right, write rave in the chat if that's what you want, fam. Rave, rave, right, rave, right, rave, right, rave. What? I'm trying not to like put like nails in the wall to like put these paintings up. I might have to, but I really don't want to. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bitcoin bestie. Music video coming out. Music video coming out on Monday.
Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship, but hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. The Bitcoin dipped and we ain't gonna trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
It's great for those who just DCA'd. If you stacking sats and you trying to save, some like to hodl, some like to trade. I'ma do both, just ride the wave. When price drop, don't get angry. Man, that's just how the game be. I seen worse, nothing really pains me. I'm a Bitcoin bull, can't change me.
It's the best assets since the old times. Like the 1849 gold mine. There's a gold rush happening in yo time. Every 4 years gonna blow minds. Let's see, investing. When Bitcoin met me, it blessed me. Positive is just how I live. All I gotta say is stay zesty. You gotta love it, I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it, I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it, I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. By now, you should know that it's here to stay. When inflation and fiat is running away. I've been here since back in the day when they said it would never hit 100K. You trust the banks? Well, I trust the code. Price predictions, I barely stress. Hit $1 million in 5 years? Maybe less. When it does, you'll see it on the Daily Zest.
You should watch if you're new or a clever trader. She's too cool, you could never hate her. She gotta be the #1 educator. Could explain Bitcoin to a 7th grader. Gotta say what's up to the super chat. Special shout out to the last tipper. Bitcoin bestie, Randi Hipper. That shoe fit like a glass slipper.
Just got my friends in a frenzy. We ain't even trying to be trendy. I'm a digital girl in a digital world. Out here repping it for Gen Z. We peer to peer cause the future's here. all grown up and permissionless. Now picture this, we're witnesses. By now you should know what the mission is.
Crypto winner is so frigid, it's no gimmick, but I'm cold with it. I've been in it since 4 digits. Price going up with no limits. I'm Cuvée like fine wine. Whenever I rhyme, come toast me. Grab the homie, raise a glass. One love to Satoshi.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 Oh, that was so lit. That was so lit. Cassius, man. Oh! Oh, I freaking love Cassius, dude. Oh my gosh. Cause I'm a Bitcoin bestie. Gotta love it. I'm a Bitcoin bestie. Guys, we're getting after it. I'm telling you. His name is Cassius Cuvée. That's his name back up. Cassius Cuvée. Yes, it's me on the song. It's me. I don't sing the chorus like Bitcoin bestie. That's not me. But I am rapping in the song, so that's fun. Yay! Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I love Cassius. This man worked so hard on this song. And on the music video, that is coming out on Monday. And I'm so excited. We're actually going to have Cassius on the show on Monday. So I'm going to go do the news, do my regular. And then at the end of the show, we're going to have Cassius on for a few minutes. And we're going to talk about our new song and our music video. We're going to debut it. We're actually going to go live, and then I'm going to post the video so y'all can like share it out in real time as we premiere it together on the show. So I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped. Because I'm a Bitcoin bestie. Gotta love it. Oh my gosh. I am pumped. Now like the hat has ruined my hair, but it's okay. Probably gonna wear a hat the rest of the day. I'm so pumped, guys. We are getting after it. So we are coming up on the top of the hour, and we did our rave. So I hope y'all are happy. So please make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends. We're going to go into the Discord right now for the members only after show. I'm super pumped. I appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't yet, again, smash the like, subscribe, share it out. Have a happy Friday, an amazing weekend. Hop in the Discord right now. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.